Hi there, I'm Julia and today I'm going to show you how to invite new users to your NapoleonCat account. First, a quick note, you must be an admin to have the permissions to add new users. Now, let's click on your profile in the top right corner and go to Team Settings. Here, you'll see a list of all users on your account. Now, let's click on the yellow invite button. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can add multiple contacts at once, just separate them with a comma and click enter. Then configure their access. Select the team they will join or create a new one. And then set their permissions level. You can choose a user, administrator, or a client. An administrator will have access to all workspaces in the company as well as all modules, and they will be able to edit settings and invite new people. A user can have limited access to selected models. And this is where we decide which models they can edit, which they can only view, and to which their access is completely disabled. A client, on the other hand, can only accept, reject, and internally comment on posts. We'll now add a user. We want them to have the ability to edit all modules and create new workspaces. We also need to specify the workspaces the new user will be assigned to. If you like, you can also add a friendly welcome message. Once everything is ready, just click the yellow invite button. Now, let's see how it looks like from the perspective of the invited person. They just need to open the invitation email from NapoleonCat and click on the yellow Go to NapoleonCat button. They will be redirected to the registration page. All they have to do is enter their name, surname, and create a password. And done, they are now part of your team. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us on the chat in the bottom right corner. Thanks for watching and see you next time.